Given an array ARR of distinct integers, rearrange the array in such a way that the first element is the largest and the second element is the smallest. The third element is the second largest and the fourth element is the second smallest, and so on. They give one array. They give one array. How the output comes: first we store the largest element, second we store smallest element, third we store second largest element, fourth we store second smallest element, fifth we store third largest element, sixth we store third smallest element, like that. Before going to logic, you notice one point: the largest elements, that is 7, 6, 5, that are all placed at even index positions. 1, 2, 3, that is smallest elements are placed at odd index positions. My logic is, first I sort the array, then I use two pointer technique. After sorting, 1 is the starting point, 7 is the ending point. Then I declare index value. Then I declare index is equal to 0. As usual, two pointer technique. Use while loop. Start lesser than or equal to end. Inside the while loop, I check the one condition. If the index value is even, means I store the largest element in that index value. If the index is odd, means I store the smallest element in that index value. This process is this process will continue until the loop break. After break the loop, I return the elements as array list. Now I code it. First I declare array list type integer, name list is equal to new array list. Then I declare integer array and name result is equal to new integer array of size arr.length. Now we sort the elements. Now we sort the array. Arrays dot sort arr. Now I declare int start is equal to 0 and int end is equal to arr array.length, that is last value, -1. Then I declare index is equal to 0. After this I use while loop, while start lesser than or equal to end. Inside the while loop I use if condition, if index modulo by 2 is equal to 0, that is if index value is even, means I store the largest element in that index space. Result of index is equal to arr of index, sorry, not index, n value, that is last value. Then I decrement the n value, n minus minus. If it is odd, means I store the smallest element in that array. The result of index is equal to arr of start. Just increment the start value, start plus. After this condition, after this condition, I increment the index value. This process will continue until this loop will break. After the loop break. I copy the result values into list. Use for loop int num result list dot add num. Finally, I return the list. Return list. Now I click compile and run. There is no error. I click the submit button. All the test cases are passed.